Guys, welcome back to my channel. So festive season is here, and so here's a festive glow up for you guys. So I'm starting by cleansing my body with a bar soap. Today I'm going in with the Yardley's English lavender scented soap and using a washcloth to clean my body. I honestly have been loving washcloths lately, and this soap smells so good. Like, if you like lavender scents, please do give this a try. Moving on with my hair, the shampoo I have been using lately is the Love Beauty Planet shampoo, and I have been loving it so far. Quickly cleaning my scalp and going in with a hair mask today. The one I will be using today is the Dove's Intense Damage Repair Hair Mask, and I am taking adequate amount and distributing it evenly all over my hair just to nourish and prevent damage. Leaving the hair mask on and moving on to body care, I am starting with a body scrub. This is the Dove's Exfoliating Lavender Scented Body Polish. I have been using Dove's scrub for over 6 months now, and it's one of my favorites. I love the consistency and it's just so pretty, like you can see. Also, this lavender scent is strong, so if you do not like lavender scents, I wouldn't suggest this for you. So this extra step is important because we are going to shave, and this will help prevent ingrowns and things like that. To shave today, I went in with the Bombay Shavings Company Lavender Scented Shaving Foam and a razor, and I absolutely loved this shaving foam. Also, this razor gave me such a clean shave, and it's way better than any other razors that I've used so far. So I would highly recommend this razor. So once I wash this off, I'm going in with my body wash. So I'm using the Dove's Relaxing Lavender Body Wash along with my loofah today. I really like this body wash. It smells absolutely amazing. Smells like lavender essential oil and chamomile tea. It definitely calms and relaxes me, so I have really been enjoying this, and I highly recommend this if you love a good lavender scent. Now once that's all washed off, I like to moisturize my skin. I'm going in with the Nivea's Lavender Scented Body Lotion. This is moisturizing and has a really subtle lavender scent. Then I'm going in with a perfume because layering scents is key. So the one I am in love with is Yardley's Morning Dew perfume. I honestly didn't think it would smell that great, but it really does. I like to take this and just spray it on my pulse points and everything. Moving on to skincare, today I will be going in with a coffee facial. So before I begin, I will be using micellar water just to clean my skin. For the first step, I'm going in with a coffee cleanser. So for this, I am going in with 1 tablespoon coffee and 1 tablespoon rose water, and using a cotton pad, I am going to cleanse my face. So the antioxidants in caffeine increases blood circulation and really cleanses the skin, and also balances pH levels. Cleansing my face for a good 3 minutes or so, and then I'll just wipe this off. So the second step is using a face scrub. So for this, I'm using 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 teaspoon almond oil, and a pinch of honey, and this is going to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. So I'll be scrubbing this for 2 minutes and then I'll just wipe it off. So the last step is using a face mask. For this face mask you need 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 tablespoon gram flour or chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons yogurt. Giving that a good mix, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So gram flour helps to deeply clean the skin, coffee improves skin cells and keeps it healthy and glowing. Overall, this is such a great mask to use if you are looking for end-minute glowy skin. Leaving this on for 10 minutes and then I'm taking it off. I'm quickly just going to scrub my lip with cinnamon and sugar. After this, I'm going in with a toner. I am using the rice toner from Face Shop and this leaves my skin so soft and supple. This is an amazing toner for dry skin, but it does have fragrance, so if you do not prefer that in your skincare, skip it. For my serum today, I recently started the Plum's Niacinamide serum in my skincare, and this just helps improve pores, fine lines, wrinkles and dullness. I am using the Chia Seeds Moisturizer today to seal in everything. It's such a good moisturizer. Going in with the Vaseline's lip balm and I love it so far. And that's what my skin looks like. I honestly loved the coffee facial and you should definitely try that one out. And if you want to see how I went from this to this, then I'll be linking it here so you can go and watch that. And that was it for my festive glow up routine. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.